All right, so I'm going to put a next one. And hopefully I hear from maybe Adolfo or Angela or Angeline. Let's see. I'm gonna try and make it. Let's see, number 5. What's this gonna be? I'm just making these up, guys. Um, let's see. Let's see. Mhm. I won't put the exponent as yet. Because you guys are just too fast. Okay, welcome everybody. Welcome. Thank you for joining this morning. We're just working out we're finding the HCF. Let's see. Okay, let's drop in those exponents. This one, I'm going to make it a 5. This one, I'll make a 2 and a 3. And this one, I'll make a 7. Okay, who would like to solve this problem and tell me the HCF of these 3 terms?
Me, sir.
Okay, Jaron is back again. Okay, Jaron, I'll let you go ahead if, but I would really want to hear from the other students who haven't participated as yet.
Yes, sir. Magbengo.
All right then. So we have Tyreek, you're welcome. Yamira, who would like to? We have Suzanne, Salmi, Nareen, Aldalfo. Aldalfo, you want to give it a shot? Or Angela?
Sir, I'm still solving it, sir.
Okay then.
Sir, I think that's 6y.
Okay, 6.
Y cubed, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Bernard, you have to hold on, hold your horses. Go ahead, Suzanne.
Y
Okay,
square
y,
7.
but we don't have any y
No,
squared.
sir, it's not square.
Try again, Suzanne.
7, sir.
No, it can't.
Cube, sir.
It wouldn't be the highest one. So we'll go with the lowest one. Okay?
Cube, sir.
Yes, cube. All right. So we're looking for the highest common factor. Good job, Suzanne. And for all those who assisted, good job, guys. What we look for is the common variable, right? So y is common to all 3 terms, so that's why we use it. And then we look for the variable with the lowest exponent, and that happens to be this one, y to the power 3. Because when you compare them, this is y to the power 5, which is greater than 3, and y to the power 7, which is also greater than 3. So we won't use those guys. We'll pick this one right here. And hopefully I can show you the reason why.
Sir,
Yes, go ahead, Angela.
I got 8y to the power of 3.
Oh, y to the power of 3. Yes. And then what did you get for the coefficient?
8.
8? 8 wouldn't work. No, not 8. If you look at it, 8 wouldn't go nicely into 36. If you try it, 36 divided by 8. Maybe you have a calculator nearby.
No, father, 2 na sir.
Yeah, so 8 wouldn't work. But if you try 6, try it with your calculator, Angela. Try to say 36 divided by 6, and you'll notice you'll get a number that doesn't have any remainder, no decimals. And then if you do, if I could please explain it, Tariq, you were saying?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I will explain how we got 6. Okay. We look at these numbers here. This is the step 1. You have to master this first step to find the coefficient, the highest common factor of these coefficients. Why are they called coefficients? Because they're numbers being multiplied to variables. All right, so these numbers are being multiplied here. There's a times sign right here, but we don't show it, okay? All right, so I look at these numbers and I say, what is the biggest number that can go into each one of these? The largest number that can go into each one, and it doesn't leave any remainder. And so you could use your calculator if you need some assistance with that. Well, I could say 32 can go into 32. I mean, sorry, 36 can go into 36 one time. Perfectly, right, guys? But then when I try to put 36 into 42, when I say 42 divided by 36, I get fractions. I get, you know, it's not nice. It's not a perfect number I get back, and I want to get back a whole number. So no, I cannot use 36 as my highest common factor in this case. So it has to be something smaller, lower in value than 36. Then I think about my multiplication tables. Okay, I know that my 7 times tables have 35 in it, so it can be 7 times tables. My 9 times tables have 36. Yeah, 9 times 4 is 36. So I could say 9 can go into 36, and that works, right? You get a 4. But what if I say 42 divided by 9? What happens then? So when I do that, I get 4.666. I get a remainder again, right, guys? You notice it? So 9 can't be my highest common factor, but at least I'm getting closer. I went from thinking it was 36 to 9. You see that? So what about 6? Okay, can I divide each of these? Can each of these be divided? Right? So if I say 36 divided by 6, I get 6 back. Nice number, no remainder. If I say 42 divided by 6, I get back 7. And if I say 48 divided by 6, I get back an 8. So hey guys, we found the number that's the highest common factor of um, these three coefficients here. Did that part make sense, Angela and Tyreek? Did you see how
Yes, sir.
all right. So, Tyreek, did you get that piece? How I figured out why it's 6? You still there, Tyreek? No, he's not. Oh man. So, I'll definitely have to get this video up. All right. So that's the reason why we pick 6, because it's the number that can 36 can be divided by 6 with no remainder. 42 can be divided by 6 with no remainder, and 48 can be divided by 6 with no remainder. And it's the largest number that can do it. All right. And then we picked y because it has this, it's common to all three terms and has the lowest exponent. Okay. Um, let's do another one here. Okay. Anybody else want to make a comment before I continue? Okay, so let's try another one here. 20. just put the variables first. Okay, let's put in those variables. Whoa, that's a 3, everybody. Um, okay. All right. Okay, someone who hasn't tried, who hasn't explained this yet. Oh man. I think I had a 3 here. Yeah.
Sir, to answer, sir.
Sir, can I try it?
Sir, I got 4A, sir.
Sir, can I try it, sir?
For A square, sir.
No, sir, we won't use the A. This A squared.
Sir, we can't hear you, sir.
Check, 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 check. You can hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Angela, you had it correct the first time. Just 4A. Okay. Do you want to explain how you figured it out, Angela?
Sir, I can't explain it well, but I will try, sir.
Yes, please try. Please.
The highest common factor of 20, 28, and 36 is 4.
Okay.
Then I went to see the variables, and I see that A is common on 3 of them, so I put A, sir, and that's how I get my answer.
All right. And that is correct. And if you notice, A has the lowest exponent compared to A squared and A to the power 4. So you pick this one because it has the lowest exponent, which is a 1 here, right? So very good. And guys, I want to thank you for your participation this morning. Um, I will try to get this video up. I'll try to get this out.
Sir, what's your YouTube channel name, sir?
Oh, I don't have a specific well, my YouTube channel name is Higher Education, but then it's not famous yet. So I'm gonna have to just send you the link in the I could send it in the math group just as a reminder to everybody.
Okay, sir.
All right. Well, we're gonna get it famous, don't worry.